in this video paper and reinstalling our shelf. The last step is to apply your shelf paper. Now I'm pulling it from the back side and smoothing it on the front side at the same time. And you want to use a good amount of pressure to get that flat. On the back side, you want to go ahead and wrap it around and give it good pressure, pulling it tight on the sides as you press that down. Now in our corners, I went ahead and notched out a little section so when I folded it over, there wasn't a big blob of shelf paper here. Now that our shelf has been recovered, we are ready to reinstall our shelf. We will be reinstalling our shelf just opposite of how we took it out. We're going to stick it in the closet at an angle, and we're going to tip it up onto our ledges and position it where you want it.